Hi there. To make text vertical in Google Doc, first make sure where you want to put your vertical text. You can put it here, here, here. So I'm going to put it there. We need to use drawing tool. So go to the insert, drawing, new drawing. To make a new drawing in the drawing canvas, select the text box. Draw your text box. Paste or type whatever you want to put it here. So I'm going to put some. I'm going to justify it, center. Now rotate it with this little dot here and spin it to vertical. To 70. There it is. Click save and close. So now the text is vertical. If you want to wrap it around, click on wrap the text. If this video solves your problem, please subscribe in return. It's just one click. Thank you very much.